Hi, my name is Nick Francis. I'm from Cool Energy. We're going to be going to Copenhagen this year for the talks to look at the opportunity for the world to make a decision about how it's going to act on climate change. One of the reasons we're going is we're going to be talking about our project Lux Verde, which is giving away 30 million light globes in Mexico using a mechanism called the Clean Development Mechanism. I think one of the things that's really interesting about Copenhagen is the talk about, are we going to have targets and what are countries going to do? It seems to me that for countries particularly like America and Australia have yet to set targets, and in the case of the USA are yet to sign up. So if they do, one of the crucial issues for them about being able to set a target is how are they going to meet that target in the short term? Because it's very difficult if you're a developed country and the way that you've already got lots and lots of cars and you've got lots and lots of agriculture and you've got particular ways of creating energy that are not renewable, that create significant CO2 emissions. In the short term, if you're going to meet a target, you have to think of ways of doing that. Well, one of the ways of doing that is energy efficiency. Now, you can do that in your own country. But another way of doing this is actually buying credits from developing countries. And the reason that you're allowed to do that, at Kyoto, they created this opportunity, is one of the things for developing countries is they want energy, they want to progress, they want things that we have. And they can either copy us and do it in a way that creates lots of pollution, or if we're struggling to meet our commitment, we can say, well, we can't do it here, we can't change quick enough, but we will pay for the developing countries to have renewable energy or energy efficiency now to make them more efficient and mean that they won't become such bad polluters. Now, long term, actually what's really important is that those of us that live in developed countries change our behaviours, change the way we create our energy, change the way we do our transport. We have to reduce our emissions probably to something like 15% of what they currently are in a country like Australia. But in the short term, it's really important that we come out of Copenhagen with some targets and that we can make those short-term targets because we see a way of meeting them by supporting developing countries.